Welcome back. This is Mrs. Rubright. Today's homework review is on 9.4, page 594 to 596. Numbers 9, 10, 11, 22, and 31 were requested. So I just went here and I copied down the images, and I am rotating about point P, so I draw a line straight out through A, and then I place little crosshairs here, line this up, go to the 30-degree rotation that I want, connect my line. And I need it to be the same length as from P to A. So I'm going to open that up. And I'm going to make my little arc. And that tells me where my A should be. So here's my A prime. Now I'm going to do the same thing from P to C. So from P to C, it would be like this. And I'm going to line it up. And I am going to go to 30 degrees. Now I'm going to make a line from P to 30, and from P to C, then measure that distance out, and now I know that my C prime should be here. Now I'm going to do the same thing from P to B. So from P to B, I'll draw a line. I'm going to line it up. 30 degrees, go from 30 to P, measure from P to B, make that mark, and we know that our B prime should be here. So now my triangle, A prime, B prime, C prime, has been rotated 30 degrees about point P. It is now here, and it used to be here. Okay, we're going to do the same thing for number 10. Alright, so on number 10, we're rotating about point P, 150 degrees counterclockwise. P and P prime are going to stay the same because it is the center of rotation. So from P to G, I'm just going to go straight out with this line. I'm going to line it up. I'm going to do 150 degrees counterclockwise from P to the 150. So I'm going to measure from here. If I swing that around, it'd be right here. And here's my G prime. Now I'm going to do my P to F. So from P to F, I'm going to line it up. I'm going to find 150 degrees. I'm going to go from P to my 150. Now I'm going to measure from P to F. I'm going to do that same measurement over here. And here's my F prime. Now I'm going to do my J. From P to J, line it up, 150 degrees counterclockwise, line it up over here, 150, from P to the 150, measure from P to J, here's my J prime. Alright, so P to G, P to J, J to F, F to G. Alright, so here's our original. And here is our image after it's been rotated 150 degrees about point P. Counterclockwise. And then the last one of these that was requested is we can start with P to S. And this one we are doing 130 degrees. from P to S, we're going to measure. And it'll be right here. Here's our S prime from P to R. And we need to do our 130 degrees. P to here. From P to R, measure. Our R prime is going to be here. P to Q. Line it up. 130 degrees. P to 130. From P to Q. Q prime. Alright, did we do T yet? We have S prime, R prime, Q prime. Now we need to do T prime. So line it up. 130 degrees. P to 130. Measure from P to T. T prime. Alright, S prime, T prime, R prime, T prime, T prime. Alright, so our original is right here, and our image is here. They are overlapping quite a bit. Alright, and that one was rotated 130 degrees about point P. The next question that was asked was number 22. Number 22 is taking triangle ABC with the following points and rotating it 90 degrees about the origin. Alright, so 90 degrees rotation, we switch the X and the Y, change the sign of the new X. So switch the X and the Y, change the sign of the new X. 180, leave them alone, change both signs. 270, flip them, change the sign of the new Y. 360, leave it alone, it's the same as the original. And then for 450, if I took 450 minus 360 minus a circle, one complete revolution, I'd be at 90. This is the same as 90. And then 540 minus 360 is the same as 180. And 630 minus 360 is the same as 270. And 720 minus 360 is 360, so that is back to your original. Your X, Y. Alright, so for 90, switch the X and the Y, change the sign of the new X. 180, leave them alone, change both signs. 270, flip them, change the sign of the new Y. Alright, so on our 90, flip them, change the sign of the new Y. Flip them, change the sign of the, change the sign of the new X. Flip them, change the sign of the new X. 180. Leave them alone. Change both signs. $270. Flip them. Change the sign of the new Y. Alright, copy my 90 row. Copy my 180, leave them alone, change both signs. $270, flip them, change the sign of the new Y. copy my 270 around. And we have our entire chart filled in. And then the very last question that you guys asked to go over from homework is number 31. And number 31 states, use the photo to find the angle of rotation that maps A onto A prime. Explain your reasoning. So this is the propeller from this, what's it called? Water boat, right? So from A to A prime. Well, if this was a circle, it would divide that 360 degrees into 3 equal sections of 120 degrees each. So it simply rotated 120 degrees counterclockwise, 120 degree rotation. And that was all of your requests on tonight's homework. I hope you enjoyed the review. Please like and subscribe and have a fantastic day.